Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to plot graph of pie charts, okay, or pie diagram, okay. This pie diagram presents a distribution of cases in the forms of circle, okay. The relative size of each silence of the circle is equal to the proportion of the cases within the category, okay. So a pie chart is an alternative to a bar chart for nominal as well as an ordinal data, okay. So to plot a pie chart, okay, go to graph, general, legacy dialog, then select a pie, okay. Then what? We need to define a variable. For example, for a 6, if I wanted to draw what? A graph that's a pie chart, then I say what? Then define the silence pie, then okay. We have a pie chart. This male is the green one, this one is what? A female is what? This one, okay. So I have this kind of a pie chart. For another example, go to analyze, go to graph, legacy dialog, pie, then define the variable, okay. If I add marital status, okay, in a row or maybe column, then I say okay. I have this kind of output. I have a pie chart for different marital status, okay, different marital status, okay. Thank you for watching us.